Hello everybody. Um, First I would like to talk about the problem that I had on my iPhone. Because a lot of you people have it, and I had it too. Because since the beginning I had this phone. Every time when someone called me or I called them, the person on the other line was barely hearable, even if the volume was completely up. And it was really difficult for me to understand the other person. So I started looking for solutions on the internet, but I realized that a lot of people have this problem, but nobody had a solution for this problem. So I started thinking, and just a couple of days ago, I found a solution, and it's very simple. You don't have to do anything, settings or something on your iPhone. No, this is what you need: a toothpick and a safety pin. Those are the two things that you need for this tutorial. Okay, so let's start with the toothpick. So let's be sure that the volume is completely up. Mine is up, no problem. Okay, so grab the toothpick and clean this area right here. Okay, make sure the dust and everything, the dirt gets out of there. Clean it up. Just go through it a couple of times. Okay, and then it should be clean. No problem whatsoever. Okay. Then you grab the safety pin and you poke holes in the exact same area that you just cleaned. Okay, so again, right here. So just poke it a couple of times. Okay, just put a little bit of pressure on it, but make sure that you feel you're poking, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so after you poked it, should be done. That's it. So if you want to try it out, just call somebody or let somebody call you, and make sure that the volume is up. You know, when you're talking to somebody, just to be sure, and it should be good to go. That's it. That's what I tried a couple of days ago. It was just a weird idea I had in my head, and it worked perfectly for me. No sound problems whatsoever. But also make sure that you clean this area every once in a while, just to be sure that doesn't close up because of the dirt. And you can do the same thing, the speakers right here, or the charge thing right there. Just grab a toothpick, go through it, because a lot of dust comes out of that place right here, and from the speakers also. So just grab a toothpick, go through it, and just clean it up a little. No problem whatsoever. If you want also better volume of the speakers, you can also grab the safety pin and poke a couple of times where the speakers are also, just to make the volume a little louder, and it should work. No problem whatsoever, right? Okay, well, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys learned from this, and I hope a lot of you solved this sound problem, and I'll see you guys next time.